in this condition we are giving this particular, you can say, ID and the particular row. If it particular
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे
is present, it will go to our service method, that is delete student, and it will get the particular row values, and it will go to this method delete student in our service class, and we have created this method. Okay, in this method I am just taking the student's whole row using student entity, and on calling this I am using the repository delete method, which helps us to create a particular delete operation in our database. So using repository class, we will delete our particular ID row which is being given using the API. If this statement gets true, it will run this method, and on running this method, our one deletion of row will get done, and it will return a particular response deleted successfully message to us after successful deletion. If this condition gets false, it will return that no value was found, and it will build something. Alright, it will run this method, and on. So I will start our method. You got it now, right? So I will start this. Our Spring Boot application started, and it's been starting. I've also started our Postman and MySQL database. So our application started. As we only have one value, so we will be playing with this only. So I will come to Postman. I will come to this. I have created a particular page or tab in my Postman, and here I am using delete method for deletion of this thing. So we have a particular ID. This is our URL or API. HTTP is to //localhost/ is to 8080/delete/ I will give the ID number, that is we only have 10. On this request, this ID will get deleted. Okay, so let's see whether our API is running or not. So on sending this, deleted successfully. I will come to here. Let's see what's happening here on sending this. So there is no value, that's why we got this array. And if we refresh it, so our database, our table is being API is running or not.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
All the values, all the rows are being deleted successfully. So our delete API is running smoothly. All the values, all the rows are. Our delete method and using @delete mapping, annotation is running smoothly. We can also use instead of @delete mapping, we can also use our @request mapping. Request method dot delete. I will just come this comment out, and I will delete this comment out to this. So we can also write request mapping, request method dot delete. Okay, and method equals to request method dot delete, and with this comma value, as we want a particular URL, that is delete /i. So we can write this also and this also. So both are correct. You can use request mapping annotation also and delete mapping annotation also. So this is how you can delete a particular row in our database or table. Further, we will be looking to our put mapping in the next chapter. Thanks you.